This is gonna be a wild day. These are all the animals we saw when we visited this foundation in the holidays, and there are also fun facts about them.
Wow.
Look at this huge ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds. Ducks are generally smaller and shorter necked than swans and geese, which are members of the same family. These are emus, the tallest native bird endemic to Australia. They can grow up to 6 feet and 3 inches in height. Did you know the collective noun for tortoise is creep? Horses have a maximum speed of 71 km per hour. Females are called cows and males are called bulls. The lifespan of a donkey can range from 27 to 40 years. There are 360 living and recently extinct species of turtles. These monkeys live up to 12 years. Capybaras can be found in Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. These red iguanas are an endangered species. This was our favorite part of the day. Macaws are the world's largest parrots and they are very loud. These are the other birds we saw in the bird room. Time to see a few reptiles. There are about 220 known stingray species. This is a jungle carpet python which can grow from 4 to 5 feet. Largest eggs in the world. Thank you for watching.